he's got the vibe, traveling the world with his camera alive. From spicy place to sunsets bright, his stories hit hard like a rhythm in flight. Kwesi, Megawatt moves, food and travel in his grooves. Every click, every view's a mood. He's got the sauce, he's got the food. From the beaches to the city lights, he's tasting the world and he's taking bites. Every plate's a journey, every frame's a thrill. Kwesi's the name and he's got the skill. Kwesi, Megawatt moves, food and travel in his grooves. Every click, every view's a mood. He's got the sauce, he's got the food. Dancing through the market, spice in the air, sipping on flavors, he's a millionaire. He's the vibe you need, the guide you seek. With every post he makes the future speak. Kwesi, Megawatt moves, food and travel in his grooves. Every click, every view's a mood. He's got the sauce, he's got the food. Kwesi, Megawatt moves, food and travel in his grooves. Every click, every view's a mood. He's got the sauce, he's got the food.
Kwesi's got a camera in his hand, no fear. Watching every moment, every smile, every tear. From spicy street bites to the ocean blue glow. He's the vibe, he's the energy everywhere he goes. Kwesi, Megawatt, turning up the scene. Flavors so bold and sights so pristine. From the tropics to the mountains he'll explore. He's the plug for the world, knocking at your door.